is the new battery. So while the phone is pretty much the same size, this is OnePlus's biggest improvement on paper, going from a 3300 to a 3700 milliamp hour battery. That has been awesome in practice for the endurance of this phone. The 6 was already pretty good, but I'm now getting pretty consistently 5+ hours of screen on time. One of the days I had nearly 6 hours with 10% left. So it might not be a 4000 milliamp hour cell, like it isn't the biggest number on paper, but this improvement, thanks to the 1080p OLED and pretty clean software, has this basically my battery champ this year so far. And it still has that incredibly fast charging. So that is impressive. Then number 5, it's true, the headphone jack is now gone on the 6T. Even OnePlus is getting rid of the headphone jack.